Hello, this is Jane in Reviews, and let me tell you why you need to check out these women's fashion sneakers. So they are a free sample provided by DADAWEN, and I just love them. I like um, I like the white and the silver, and I also like the glittery on top. So they're very fashionable, they're very chic, and you can mix it. Like I have them with jeans, but also you can put short skirts, pants, leggings, and even a dress can go with this. So also, I love them because they are very comfortable and they have here this thing to help you put them easy, like faster. So you help yourself. And as you can see, you can tie them with the shoelaces. They look very pretty. They look very feminine. What you can see here, this is made of rubber. So this is also very flexible. Um, and the platform is not uncomfortable. On the contrary, these shoes are super comfortable. I feel that I can walk on them for hours without sacrificing style and fashion. They have a lot of different colors and they're so pretty. I hope you check them out. I hope you like my review and thank you for watching.